Hello, this is Gareth Williams, and in this video I want to demonstrate how to configure OSPF Virtual Links and Tunnel interfaces. All I've done so far is configure the IP addresses in this network that you can see here now. As you see, we have two areas, 34 and 67, which aren't connected to area 0, the backbone area. The result of this is that these routers will not get any routing updates. What we can do to solve this is create virtual links, but as you can see here, we've got a totally stubby area. We'll get to this in a bit, but virtual links won't actually work through these type of areas. Okay, so I'll get onto the config. We're sitting on R1 at the moment. Router OSPF1. Okay. Uh, 168.12.0. This is area 0, and this is 14. Okay, so that's that. I'll do this side here first. Okay, so R2. Net 192.168.12.0 with the wildcard mask. That's area 0. This would be 23, and this would be area 23. Okay, and then OSPF1. Did I say a router ID there? Yeah. Router ID 3.3.3.3. Network. This is area 23. Okay. This is 34. And our last one on this side, OSPF1, and this is 404.404, 192.168.34.2. Hang on, that's not working. 34.34. Oh. Come on, mate. Okay, that's better. Right then, I want to see the routing table of R3. Okay, so we got these routes here and here. I'll tell you what, we might as well do the other side as well, so it gets a bit bigger. That's 192.168.14.14.0. Is area 0, isn't it? Yep. This is 56. Area 56. Oop. And this would be 67. 67. And area 67. 67. And we'll do this one quickly. Router OSPF1, router 7.777. Area 67. Right then, let's go back to R3. Okay. And then let's have a look at R4. Okay, so R4 is not receiving any routing updates whatsoever. This is because of the way OSPF is actually designed. These areas need to be connected to area 0 for them to work. Now, there is a way around this. What we'll do is create a virtual link. This is for virtual links to work. You need to know the router ID of the router that you want to connect to. That's why I hard code the virtual links. So I'm going to have R2 do a virtual link to R3 using R3's router ID, and R3 to R2 with R2's router ID. So it's 2222 and 3333. Okay, we'll start off on R2 first. So as a note, let's have a look at R4's routing table again. Yep, there's nothing there whatsoever. Hopefully we'll be able to fix this now. Area 23, area 23 virtual link, and this is 3.3.3.3. And R3, area 23 virtual link, and this is 2.2.2.2. See what happens on R4. Hey. Okay, so we got 23. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, so we should be able to ping. Let's go 56.2. We got 56. Yep. So do ping 192.168.56.2. Yeah. So now we can actually ping from here all the way to here. 67 shouldn't be in the routing table. 67, no it's not. Okay, so now let's go to R5. I want to make this a totally stubby area for this example. So we'll go to R5, and what area was that? That was area 56. Area 56. Stub, no summary. Let's have a recap on R6's routing table. Okay. No summary. Area 56. Stop. Oop. Right. Now then, I want to see if I can ping 34.2 down here. 34.2. 34.2. Yeah, success. Right then, let's take another look here. So R7 is not receiving any updates whatsoever. Now then, I want to try and demonstrate a virtual link first. Let's go to R5, area 56. virtual link to 6.6.6.6. Okay, we'll get an error message. Area 56 is a stub or not so stubby area, so virtual links are not allowed. Right, so how do we get around this then? The answer is to create a tunnel interface on R5 and R6. We'll start off on R5 first. Let's get out of that. So INT-TUN, I'll call it 0. And we'll just give it random IP 172.16.1.5. I'll give it a /24. And we'll go to R6 and do the same. Uh, 172.16.1.6. Alright, what we need to do on these tunnel interfaces is specify a source and destination IP. These would actually be the physical interfaces. So what we will do is, what was the command? Is tunnel source, and it is the source going to, so it will be this IP here. I'll just put that in. That's the source, right? The destination is 56.2. I'll just highlight that. .2. Yep. So tunnel source, this would be 192.168. Was it 56? 56.2. And the tunnel destination .1. Let's see if I can ping it. Right, we can ping it. Let's have a look at R7. We're still not going to receive anything yet, because what we need to do now with those tunnel interfaces, we're going to have to put them into area 0. Advertise those networks into area 0. So we need to go back under the router process, the OSPF process, OSPF1, router OSPF1, show IP ITP, alright. So it's network 172.16.1.0, this is a /25, area 0. I'll just copy that. I'll go to R6, router OSPF1, paste that in. Yep, now we have a neighbor adjacency. Let's see what happens. Well, hey. Now we have all of those routes there. What we can do now is we'll try to ping R4, so that's 34.2. 34.2. Yes. And we can, and what we can try to do is ping from R4 to R7. R7 is 67.2. 67.2. Do ping 192.168. 67.2. Yep. And that actually works. Now then, if we was to go to R6, because remember this was a totally stubby area. Where was it? Yeah, here. Yeah. do show IP route. Yeah, see, it's lost that default route now. What we can try to do is make R7 a totally stubby area. Okay, so 67 areas, 67 stub. R6 area 67 stub, no summary. Let's give that a second. Yeah, that's better. That's what I'm looking for. Let's try ping R4 again. Yeah, that all works. Right then, because we've created the tunnels, this has actually lost this totally stubby. This is actually, yeah, stopped being a totally stubby area. So I've moved it from here to here. Okay, I guess that will be it for now. Thank you for watching.